forgot to hit record. I had a conversation with the camera that will stay between me and the camera forever because it wasn't on recording. Okay, we gotta do that over. I'm so sad. Welcome to today's video. Today I am going to use a product, or should I say use a brand that I know that I love. I use their conditioner. It's called Monday, but I'm upset because the recorder wasn't recording. I had this whole conversation about posting this on a Monday, that today's Friday, and wouldn't that be funny? No, so I was gonna hold off. So I'm gonna hold off and post this on a Monday because I'm using a product called Monday, even though today for me is Friday as I film. I feel stupid repeating myself because my husband probably hears me, but this is a conditioner that I bought a while back, and this is probably like I've bought this maybe more than 3 times, like few times whenever I need conditioner. Because I will say this, I forgot to tell it to you before. OGX Moroccan oil, the blue container, was always like, honestly, if you had to say, you gotta give me one conditioner that you love, gotta give me one, it was that one. Then it looked a little different on the packaging, and it said new package or new scent, and I don't like the scent. Please bring back the old scent, please.
Clear?
I mean, if I put my camera on there, it won't be clear to a lot of people.
I make a lot of money.
I don't know about that. No.
I just put my stuff on, I'm gonna do laundry, and get out of your way, honey ones.
See, he's gonna go do laundry. He just got out of the shower in case anybody's wondering, and no, I'm not turning the camera. Well, now I'm gonna pause this for a second. Let me tickle. I'm so mad that it wasn't recording before because I was saying a few things. I said a few different things. I was talking about how... Hold on. Okay, they'll figure it out, right? It's recording. I see red. Oh, let's do this again. So let's just start from the beginning. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. I wonder why they call it Monday. But anyway, this is a conditioner that I've been using for a while now, and I really like it. It makes my hair feel nice afterwards, and I was going to say a lot of times I get questions like to review certain conditioners or shampoos, and I feel like it would be a wasted video in a way of information because I don't know, conditioner to me, it rinses out. I have yet lately to find a conditioner that I don't like, so I feel like it's a waste, and that's why I'm more into styling products, because styling products, that's what makes your hair look and feel good for when you're out and about, right? So that's what I'd like to concentrate on. I picked this up once because I think the price was really nice for the amount when I first saw it. I think now it's like the price is the same as the others, but I got it and I loved it, and it like lasted me a while, so it conditioned my hair well and it felt great after. But that's not what the video is about. I happened to pick one up, and right next to it I saw this leave-in conditioner, so I thought that was very exciting. I love to try new products, and I've never tried this one, and I know I love the brand, so why not? Why?
Do I gotta sign it? And you return it? How does this work?
I'll have it on her printer. Go print it, sign it, and then put it back on the top. Oh, wait. You could have done this on your phone.
What?
He did it with DocuSign.
What does that mean? Mike, did I ever tell you when I worked for this guy with me and Steve?
Yes, Joe, you told us all the time. I don't remember where we left off, guys. I don't know what was recorded and what wasn't, but I'm just going to continue where I hope I left off. This is a leave-in... let's see. This multitasker promotes longer, healthier hair by deeply hydrating and protecting from the heat and breakage. Hair is left soft, shiny, and frizz-free. The record button wasn't on when I was putting it in and talking about it, and the smell is lovely. It's not overpowering. I didn't understand what was the point at first. See how there's like an opening here? I'm like, what's the point? But it's because you can't push it down. Pumps, which I really like, and I had also said, again, don't know if it was recorded or not, how much I absolutely love this packaging. Are you ready to apply it to my hair? Because, again, I thought we were recording, so moving on. Oh, I did mention something, because as I was putting this in my hair, I said, I don't know if you noticed my bracelet. but I want to talk about it later because I have other pieces to show you, and I'll show you up close later. But these are just some pieces I purchased by the poolside when I was in Florida, and I told her, give me your name and I'll put it on my, because I got a few pieces, 4 pieces, and I love them all, but I'll tell you about that later because I just want to get my hair dried like this. Let's do the usual diffuse and go get my diffuser. Wow, my hair is starting to look like the hair I had when I was in my early 20s, so it makes me wonder, you know how they say, oh, your hair changes with babies, etc., as you get older. I thought that my hair has gone through so many changes. I did treatments, keratin treatments, etc., coloring, whatever, and I said that definitely has changed my texture over time. But all I have done lately is grow my hair out and stop thinning it out, and I feel like my hair is back to the way it used to be in my early 20s. It's weird. So I don't know. I mean, when I had my period, or when I had my period, because I don't have it anymore. When I would get my period, I always knew when I was getting it when I was in the shower, because my texture was just horrifically dry and there was nothing I could do about it. And I always thought, oh my God, I would always panic and do hot oil treatments or something, and I finally realized, just give it a couple days. Sure enough, a couple of days, literally the last day of my period, my hair was soft and silky. And so it definitely does affect it. Oh my God, maybe that's why my hair is like that, because I just hit menopause. Could that be? I'm not the person to talk to because when it comes to hair and menopause, because most people are in the opposite, where it's more hair. I know there's a big hair loss of women. There's a lot of women who get hair loss during this time too. I know there's a lot of treatments out there. I see a lot of ads. So hopefully you find one that's right for you. Unfortunately, I can't help you in that part because I like almost too much. But I don't want to complain because I know I'm blessed. It's just gray because I did just do my $1 billion brow touch-up. I had to cover my grays because they're coming in again. I think I have to get a purple shampoo. I think this is starting to get a little brassy. Anyway, can we talk about the product? This leave-in conditioner was so good. It's so good. It smelled great, felt great, and look at my hair. I just hovered. I usually do that lately when it's a soft, like a leave-in conditioner, he leaves my hair soft as opposed to like the jellies or gel. Hold on. So I hovered my hair. If I'm using a leave-in, like a cream, I usually lately have been hovering because my hair's getting longer, so it's coming out nicer like that. Yeah, I mean, look at me. I'm playing with the curls, and the curls are not coming out. They're set, and they're soft. I just realized I found a great product, great new product for myself. This has just gone to the top. It's Friday night, even though I did a review on Monday. It's Friday, but I'll post it on Monday. Let me get back to you. In a little bit. We'll go outside, test the hair against the weather, and then we'll talk about the jewelry because I did want to talk about it. It was a mother and daughter who worked together, and I thought that was so wonderful. And they were selling it by the poolside, and I got all this jewelry. I got 4 pieces because I don't know if this is when I wasn't recording, but I said these pieces. Usually homemade jewelry, you can tell it doesn't look the same as it does in a jewelry store. I don't know. They're beautiful, but it's just a different look. These pieces look like they were in a fancy, like, jewelry store. These were all, they make them. So I'm going to show you them up close and give you the name when we get back. See what a difference lighting makes? This is Pure Light window on a cloudy day here on Long Island. So this is a shout out to Anna G. Jewels. And I believe, that's how I believe you can find them on Instagram. And look, she packs everything so pretty. I told her don't waste the box on me, but she insisted because they were gifts for my daughter. And, which was so sweet. Wrapped them in the bows. So pretty. And then goes in this bag. And I know a lot of people are about packaging as I am, so this is really... So, a story about this why I got this piece is because I had a piece a long time ago like this from Mexico. It only had the little silver beads. It was, I got in the airport when we went to Mexico because it was like silver. It was like $10, $15. So I loved it because it like I could take it off and on easily, and I wore it all the time, and I guess I just oversnapped it. So I always missed that bracelet. I always thought I was going to put it together, and I never did. So I saw this one, and every now and then I'll see a style like this with just the silver, and she had the silver or the gold. But then she said, well, and I couldn't decide. And she goes, well, we have this one. I'm like, it's a perfect compromise because I have gold jewelry that I love. I have silver jewelry that I love. So I'm a person that will mix it. I don't mix it like next to each other. Look, I never wear jewelry. I wear my wedding ring. That's it. But I want to start wearing nicer pieces. I really, really do. But I'm sticking to the kind of jewelry that I like. I like small, dainty. My husband gave me these 30-something years ago on our 1-year anniversary. I'm so boring. Look at this piece. I love this. And especially because it was the week that I watched the movie Star from Disney, and I fell in love, and all of a sudden I feel like everything's a star. I always wished on stars, and this is black, and like, how much do I love that? I always love the black and white combination, and look, I have the diamonds with this. Mix and match. Now, a reason also why I got it, but it was still, you're gonna say, but it's the wrong color. My husband recently got me this for my birthday. I think it was my birthday. So even though this is a blue stone, I feel like it's close enough. And this is silver, this is gold, so we're mixing it up. I'm not one that wears layered jewelry. I'd like to start to. I just am like, oh, I couldn't put that on every day. And my daughter's like, I don't even take this off, but I take my earrings off when I go to sleep. I don't like to sleep with jewelry, like it's gonna hurt, or I feel like I'm gonna break it. But I'm gonna try and start. So look, I can wear this together now, even though I don't mind mixing and matching colors and stones. Really don't. How pretty is that? Only because we're talking about jewelry, I might as well. I have it right here because when we went away, I didn't unpack it, and I happen to have it here. So as you can see, I do like a mix of. I like to wear both gold and silver, so I have no problem mixing them. Normally I wouldn't though. Like if I go out, because I just wear simple jewelry, if I'm wearing silver earrings, I'll wear a silver necklace. I will do that. But, oh, you know what? Let me get my engagement ring. Okay, so I got engaged, I guess 90 or 91. And gold was what you usually had back then. And even though I tell my husband now it's not the style I wanted, but I love it. It's not very in now. You know, everyone keeps saying to me, why didn't you get it get a new, get it reset? I would never do that. I look at this and it's like, this is the ring he asked me to marry him in, so I'm going to keep this forever. However, on my 20th anniversary, I did want another ring, and I wanted a silver one because I didn't have, gold plated is this? Or silver? I don't even know. White gold. You can see that I don't care if it's silver, white gold, as long as it doesn't fall apart and as long as I love it. I don't need big fancy real things. I don't care. This is real diamond, but I tell every young person, I'm like, you can give me cubic zirconia. I wouldn't care if I was getting engaged now. The amount of money people spend on diamond rings, but some people like that, and I get it. That's just not for me. Now, this to me, I only really wear when I go out to dinner and stuff. It's a little too blingy for during the day. But I was thinking, I found my other wedding ring, my wedding band. It was, blessed when we got married, and this is the same one he has in his size. And I'm like, oh, I kind of like the way this looks. So if it's, because of course, does it probably, I'm not going to take this one off, but of course my fingers got chubbier. Does that look okay? Or does that look silly? So I'm going to try and wear more jewelry. I'm going to try. But my daughter sleeps with her jewelry. I don't know how she does that. Her bracelets. And her certain earrings, too. I was going to try it last night with this one and I said no. I would just think I'm going to break it. So, again, that was Anna G. Jewels. I'll pop up. Today's Friday. What am I doing? I got a great Wayfair Labor Day sale on bedding. I was on vacation. I was literally by the poolside, and I ordered all this because I couldn't believe the prices. I saw it on TikTok. I'm like, oh, I need new bedding, and I never buy the one that I really want because we have a king-size bed, and it's expensive. King-size, it gets in. I don't know. You have to really like it. So I think it's what I want. But it doesn't matter because it's a duvet, the inserter, and I always wanted that big white fluffy one. I don't know, there's a shine to it, but I think I haven't taken it. I just put it in the dryer to fluff it up. But I really want to get a duvet cover because that's the best way to change seasonally. So that's my plan for this next year coming up, starting in the fall. I don't know. Yeah, fall, winter. I'm not going to change it every season. And I also got a gel pad, a 3-inch cooling gel. I think it's like a gel pad topper. I can't wait to put this on. I have it in the box, but I don't want to do it yet because the sheets didn't come. I ordered 2 sets of sheets. They were like $21, $25 maybe, for a king size, and it was 1,800 thread. So I don't know. I think that's good. So I'd rather wait till the sheets come, clean them and get them ready and put them on, and everything goes on brand new. I have a set of sheets I could use, but is that not the best sleep with the first night you go to bed, the smell of a mattress and the furniture? I've only had that like maybe twice when we first got married and when you buy a house, but I just remember that smell. It was so good. But I love my furniture. There's no need to get new bedroom furniture. I've had it since I've been here, so I've been here 17 years. So we only upgraded once, and my old bedroom furniture, it was a queen set, which we got at Fortune of. Did we get was it Fortune of? Maybe we got the bedding at Fortune of. It was light wood, but it had like a rose color to it. I don't know, but my girls ended up using it in their bedroom. When we moved here, we got the new bedroom set, and they got my old one, which was great. The bed, we got rid of the bed, which I don't think we should have done that. It was either they sleep together in a queen or they get separate twins, and part of me wishes I kept the queen. Maybe got one more twin, but we got rid of the queen because over time then I wish they had bigger beds. But you know what? Just like me, they had to sleep in twin beds growing up, so they didn't get queen full sizes until after college. It's just the way it is. All right, guys, let's check in later on the hair. So far, I'm loving it. I want to try some fall looks. As far as makeup goes, I was looking in to see if there's anything new coming out. I feel like I ordered something, did I? Oh, I think I just started looking to see like any new releases. If you know of anything you want me to try out, let me know. I'm going to, it's only 3:30. What am I going to do? I don't know what I'm going to do. It's Friday. It's like the weather is beautiful out. It's not too hot. It's September. Like fall just all of a sudden kind of just is coming in a little bit. I don't know if he's here to stay, but I like it. It's pretty outside and it's not too cold. I have a long sleeve shirt on, but if I'm in the sun, it might get hot. I'm gonna take a little video. I'm embarrassed. I was videotaping. Hair's looking good. I'll leave it up to you.
I'm gonna get the Catalina cakes anyway. It's a little dry, right? Yeah. Oh, you got me.